Don't think of these as resolutions per se. Resolutions are just things that go in one year and come out the other. What's up guys, Big Jano here, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what I have in store for 2021, as well as some goals and or resolutions that I have to continue to grow the channel and to become a better 3D printer. Before we begin, I want to remind you guys I do variety stream on Twitch a few times a week. I'm also on Twitter. You guys can follow me at both of those places. At Big Jano is where you can find me. I game and 3D print from time to time, as well as let you guys know when I go live on Twitch and drop new YouTube content. So go check me out there, guys. Also, if you're new to the YouTube community, welcome. Go hit that subscribe button so you guys know when new content's coming. And also hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. And if you do enjoy this video, go hit that like button. It helps me and it helps the channel, and I like you guys more for it. So thanks guys. Today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what I have in store for 2021, as well as some goals and or resolutions that I have to continue to grow the channel and to become a better 3D printer. Look, 2020 was just not the year anybody expected. There were so many unknowns and challenges that came our way that everybody pretty much felt defeated after 2020. But I believe 2021 has a plethora of opportunities, not only for us to start getting back to normal, but also for myself to grow this channel and to continue to learn different things about 3D printing that I didn't already know. These goals aren't just for the channel itself to grow, but these are also personal goals that I have to continue to learn 3D printing and to expand my knowledge on the subject. I also want to continue printing bigger and better things that I've never been able to print before, and things out of my comfort zone that I hadn't been able to try yet, but really want to start digging into in 2021. In order to do that, however, one of the goals I have for next year is to continue to learn new 3D modeling softwares. I started briefly using DesignSpark Mechanical when I first got my 3D printer for home use, and now I've been starting to use Fusion 360 a little bit more and more as I've been able to learn more about it. There's a lot of little things about the software that really resemble kind of the softwares I'm used to using, especially through work. However, there's a lot of little things in the software that I'm still trying to learn all the tips and tricks about, that hopefully down the road by this time next year, I'm able to model way more complex designs and really see where my creativity can take me. With many YouTube tutorials at large, as well as the 3D printing community right by my side, I have no doubt that I'll be able to increase my modeling skills tenfold. I would say this also applies to Blender, which some of you might know is what I use for video editing at the moment. Blender is such a great tool for video editing, but also for rendering and animation, and it's completely free. As someone who's just recently started content creation on YouTube, anything free is for me. And I believe Blender's video editing software has been really good for me so far to learn about video editing and how it all works. And hopefully down the road I will upgrade the video editing software, but also learn Blender's video editing software even more as well to make even better videos for 2021. Another goal of mine for 2021 is to continue to get more comfortable with my 3D printer. Or printers, plural. I do want to expand next year to have more machines and capacity to make more things, so who knows, maybe we'll get another couple printers next year to play with. But let's not get too off track right now. Let's get back to getting more comfortable with my 3D printer. Owning my first 3D printer in 2020 brought a lot of challenges and learning curve. There was a lot of things that I needed to know about my printer specifically, and taking it apart numerous times to fix different things throughout the time I've had it has really opened my eyes to what these machines are capable of, but also what it takes to maintain these machines as well as to replace things when things go wrong. I say in my last video, get excited about taking apart your 3D printer because you get to learn different things about your machine every time you take it apart or replace components. I still find that true to this day, and every time I take apart my printer, I learn more and more about it, and hopefully into 2021, I can continue to learn about my printer and become a real master when it comes to mastering my prints and my machine. Which leads me into my other goal for 2021, which is to experiment with new materials rather than just plain old PLA. Look, I have nothing wrong with PLA. PLA is a fantastic material for beginners, but I really would love to try using PETG, ABS if my machine can get that high of temperature, and even flexibles. My machine says it can print flexibles, but with Bowden tube machines, it's a little bit tricky, but it's something I really want to try maybe playing around with in 2021 and see if flexibles are a thing that my machine can run. PETG is another popular material that I just haven't had a lot of experience with yet, so I don't really know the best practices and temperatures to print with PETG, but I'm hoping in 2021 that I can actually start diving into that a little bit more and getting more comfortable with the material. Also, if I come to the conclusion that my current printer can't run certain materials, then maybe expanding different machines that can run these materials could be the better option. And finally, my last goal for 2021 is to continue to grow this channel even more. You guys gave me the confidence in 2020 to start this channel, and I've been so overwhelmed by the support you guys have shown me since I started. I look forward to sharing more 3D printing content and even some gaming from time to time, and continue to grow this channel and just to continue to inspire new makers and even people that have been making for years to just continue to have fun with it and to see a new light of things. This community is such a welcoming community, and I look forward to continuing my personal growth and sharing it with all of you guys even further in 2021. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. What are your goals for 2021? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, don't forget, guys, to go hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you always know when new content's coming. Also, if you enjoyed this video, go hit that like button. It'll let me know you guys like this video, and I'll make more content because of it. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. If you stayed to the end, you're awesome. Thank you guys so much, and until next time, possibly in 2021, keep doing it big. I do like watching the ball drop, however. It reminds me of everything I've done this year. Oh, man.